AutoTextMe has a new solution for shops looking for text to pay. Here's how it works. Once you have your customers on the board, all you need to do is hit the text button next to their name, hit the payment button at the lower left corner of that screen. You can also choose to send this by text and email in the same stroke. Enter the dollar amount, and you can send the link requesting payment. Now, what the client will actually see when they click the link is this page here. When they hit pay invoice, they'll have the option to enter their credit card information, hit pay. It'll be just like they do on any other web page-based payment system. Now, setup is also simple. All we need to do at AutoTextMe is set up an instance for you. This is a web-based application, which means there is nothing for you to have to install. We'll ask you a few questions, and we can have that website up for you, usually within about 5 minutes. And then you just need to integrate with your payment vendor. This will be done through an administrator menu. You'll need integration setup as the option there, and you enter your API keys and merchant IDs in order to get that in. We also integrate with several shop management systems. So if you're managing clients in one of our integration partners, these tickets will show up on your board automatically. And this also can be set up in our workflow setup screen, where you can specify when and how or which status in that service management system will trigger the ticket to come over to AutoTextMe. Now, finally, we have a consolidated report for text-to-pay transactions. You go to the reports menu and the text-to-pay report, and you'll see here any of the requests that you've sent out, and as they are paid, you'll see the payment indication, what type of credit card it was, an authorization code, dollar amount, and you can even do this by any kind of a date range so that you can see what the total amount of the transactions have been by your text-to-pay solution across a period of time. Our goal here at AutoTextMe has always been simplicity. We wanted to have a nice, lightweight, easy to use solution for shops that are looking to leverage text to pay as quickly as possible.